We are going to reset the oil maintenance light on a Lexus. First step is put the car in run mode. Do not push the brake pedal. We're going to push the ignition key twice. Perfect. So everything's started up. Next, we're going to find the trip odometer. That's over here on the left side. And we're going to go into trip A. So there's our trip A. Notice our oil maintenance light is on. Next, we're going to turn off the car by pushing the start key once. Next is going to be a two-handed process, but we have to push on the odometer and then push on the start button of the car. So hold this in and now push on the start button. And if you notice down at the bottom is resetting oil maintenance light, and that's it. We had to continue holding the button until everything is reset. And that's it. The oil maintenance light is now reset. I hope that this helped you. And please respond down at the bottom if it did help you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.